How to add or remove card on Temu. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add or remove a card on your Temu account. So for that, just open your Temu in your browser. You can also do it in your mobile application, but I'm demonstrating this tutorial in my web browser. So on your preferred browser, just search for temu.com and you will be landed to the official website of Temu. And after that, just log into your account. And once you are logged in, just click on the profile icon from the top. And from there, just go to your profile. And here on the left hand side menu, you will see this option called your payment method. Just click on it. And here you will see the option to add a credit or debit card as your payment method. So just click on add a credit or debit card. And here you just need to enter your card details like your card number, expiration date, and CVC code, and your billing address as well, and then just click on add your card. And once your card is added, it will show on this particular page, and you will also see the option to remove that particular card and add another one as per your choice. So this is how you will be able to add or remove card on your Temu account. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.